Welcome to the Structure Management System Training video series. In this video, I'm going to talk about the top level selections within the Manager. Within Manager, we have Manager Dashboard, Main Map, Manage Inventory, Archived Assets, Management Reports, Query Options, and Create New Asset. First, Manager Dashboard is similar to the other dashboards. There are widgets that you can edit, remove, track progress. There are different widgets offered for the Manager Dashboard. Next option is Main Map, where you can look at your assets in map form. You can filter down based off of the asset detail tree. So if you wanted to look at one asset, or you wanted to look at assets on one route or multiple routes within a county, you can do that within Main Map. Once you have your route selection, you can further filter down to asset code, asset name, or asset type, or just stick with the ones on that route. By clicking Show Assets, a map version of your assets will show up. On that route. You can then move in, select specific assets, or zoom in to where the blue clusters will separate into specific assets. By highlighting the cursor over each bullet, it will tell you the county, route, straight line mileage, and structural file number within parentheses. From here, you can access the asset detail page or zoom to specific bridges that you've selected. The next option is Manage Inventory, where users can select Manage Inventory and assign different values, top level values per bridges. As you filter down into the asset tree, you'll notice that there are asterisks next to several assets. Those asterisks indicate bridges that have been retired. By clicking on the assets, you'll notice that this bridge with the asterisks has been retired. And this is its replacement, SFN. Users can create new assets within the same manager function at the very bottom. By creating new assets, users can assign structural file numbers. If you wanted to create a new county or a new route, you'd create parent assets in this way. Or if you were creating a new bridge due to retirement or construction, users can then create new assets, some basic information, and then generate the structural file number. Once a user generates a structural file number and creates the asset, that asset will then show up inside Manage Inventory as a new structure. Archived assets, these are structures that have been archived or retired. Users can filter alphanumerically off the columns, or they can go into the asset detail page within the blue link. These are retired structures. Management reports. Users can look at all of the bridges within their jurisdiction with pre-canned PDF reports. This is a list of bridges, list of options. They can look at all of their fracture critical bridges, all of their good bridges, fair bridges, poor bridges, and it prints off a PDF or displays a PDF by default. You can also have it output to HTML or a spreadsheet. If users wanted to go into their jurisdiction a little deeper and just look at bridges on a certain route or within a certain county, they can do that by filtering the asset detail page by the asset detail tree and selecting the route. There are 2 pages of management reports. The next option within Manager is Query, and there are report queries, picture queries, element queries, and maintenance queries. A powerful option: users can create, save, or load existing queries from other users, and these queries can be output in that form into field inspection report form. Report, picture, element, maintenance queries will each be discussed individually in future modules. That concludes the top-level Manager options.